in the world? Get out of here right now! I said stop!
Hey! Stop that right now! Do not touch that fire alarm!
Get out of here! Run!
Chaos! I told you not to touch anything. Now look at this mess. You are in serious trouble.
It is my honor to present this hero's medal for outstanding bravery.
Hey! Get out of the store right now! You are not allowed in here! I told you, no pets allowed! Get out of the store! Hey! Get out of here! Get out of the store now! Hey, stop right there! Drop the device!
No rodents or helmets allowed beyond this point. Stop resisting immediately.
Is that a marmot wearing a helmet?
And the police are scanning its paw.
It beeped.
Thank you for your service, Officer Marmot. You're a true hero. Get out of my pharmacy this instant, and don't you ever come back.
Get out of here, you oversized rat! Don't come back!
Do not let that marmot go! He bit me! He needs to be quarantined immediately! Look what you did to the sidewalk! Finish!
We told you to stay away from here!
Get out of that helmet! Who is responsible for this mess? Someone needs to clean this up immediately!
Hey, look at me when I'm talking to you! Stop that right now! Are you deaf? Get out of my yard right now!
Do you smell that? It smells like gas!
Oh my God, we have to get out of here right now.
He's okay, he's okay. I can't believe it, he's really back.
You certainly earned this, little hero. We are so proud of you. Thank you so much, Captain.
Absolutely not. Get away from the macaroni and cheese.
Look at this notebook. It is completely empty. What exactly have you been doing all semester besides wearing that ridiculous helmet?
Hey! You drop that tray and get back here this instant! You ate my souffle!
It's okay. This is just Albert. He's the new mascot for the Sustainable Agriculture Program. He's very friendly.
Here's a bowl for you.
And grab a plate right here. I see him! Hang on! We're coming through! Clear the way!
Help! Somebody please help me! I'm up here!
Help! I'm going under!
Okay, swing your leg over now.
Careful, hold tight to the vest.